Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Let me introduce, my name is Winda Rahmawati. Now I will make two English segment videos. The first is a video of my opinion about smoking in campus area, and the second video is about English material, namely the question word. Okay, in the video first, I will express my opinion about smoking in campus area. Smoking in the campus area is something we cannot ignore. Why? Because smoking will have an impact not only on those who smoke, but also on other people and people around who are in the smoking area. What impact will this have? It's definitely a bad impact. There are several examples of bad impacts for people who smoke, including getting diseases such as cancer, including cancer of the mouth, throat, and lungs. Apart from that, you can also suffer from respiratory problems, heart problems, blood vessels, gum problems, and many other bad effects that occur for people who smoke. And therefore, smoking should be avoided, especially in campus area. Why? Because it can be detrimental and environmental health, including air pollution, waste, and the impact of tobacco production. Apart from that, smoking on campus must also be prohibited because it can interfere with student learning achievement. The nicotine in cigarettes can affect brain function, including memory, concentration, and cognitive abilities. Apart from the bad impact, there are also ways to avoid them. Namely, the way to avoid smoking is avoid gathering with friends who smoke. Rest assured that cigarettes are not the only means of socializing, and don't be embarrassed to say that you are non-smoker. Look for more information about the dangers of smoking. That's the reason why we shouldn't smoke and how to avoid it. This is my opinion about smoking in campus areas, and I hope what I say is clear and useful for all of us. Thank you. And next video is about English material, namely the question word. What are you doing? Guys, what form does the sentences above have as an interrogative sentence? Yep, the form is WH question, or an English question word that use question words. You see, there is the word what that starts the sentence. Explanation. Question words or interrogators are often used to communicate in English. Departing from Woodward English, a question word is a word to ask a question. The questions asked form a noun clause and or adjective clause. Function and example. Function. What is the function of the WH question? WH questions are used by a person to ask for information, which the interlocutor must give a clear answer. In English, also known as an open question. An example. Below are some WH questions, example, and how to answer them. A. Where's the bag? The answer is the location of the bag. B. It's in the room next to the reception. And if it's in Indonesian materials, maybe you only know 5W plus 1H. Well, if it's in English, you have to learn 8W plus 1H. What are the 8W 1H? The answer is what, when, where, whom, which, whose, why, and how. Present tense. Singular will where is and I will where am. This is to indicate the use of non-verb. If there is a verb, it means using the word does. Example, is she a doctor? Am I right? And does Anna like cats? And next, plural forms such as they, you, we, Tom, and Tia use are to discuss non-verbs and use do for verbs. Example, are you hungry? Are they out of their mind? And do they speak English? Okay. Next, which includes the question words. First, what? What is used to ask about things? Yep, as we know, what is a question word that function to ask something or something related to someone? Example of its use is 10 sentences. What are you doing? Next, what is your name? What do you think about the movie? What time is it? And next, in addition to serving to find information from something, the word what you can also use to ask for repetition and confirmation, aka asking for repetition or confirming what was conveyed by others. Example, what? I cannot hear you. And you did what? Like that. And next, where? If you want to find out information about the location or replace destination and position of someone or something, of course the right question to use is where. Example of a question sentence, where do they live? Where is your mom? Where is my handphone? And next, why? This question word function as a reason or cause finder. In this case, the reason can be positive or negative to know the background of something happening. Examples, why do you love me? And why it did happen? And why are you crying? Next, when. Of course, when is used to ask when something happened. This question word is closely related to the adverb of time, which can be the answer to this type of question. Examples of usage with the word question: when are, when do you finish college, when does the taxi arrive, and when did she leave. Next, which. Guys, how often are you confused about a choice? Whether is a choice related to goods, colors, and opinions? Well, you can use which to ask about option. Come on, who likes to ask the bestie or doi for their choice? But in the end, they choose their own choice. Here's an example sentence to ask choice. Which color do you want? Which extracurricular do you join? And something like that. Next, who? Who told you about my secret? Well, the above is an example of a question used in the word question, who to ask about people or someone or subject. Other examples are who opened the window, who are you, and who is your favorite Korean artist. Okay, next, whom. Well, so in English there is a difference in interrogative word for the position as a subject and an object. If earlier who was used to ask people who have the status of subject, then whom is a type of interrogative word for people who have a position as an object or recipient of an action from the subject. Example, whom are you going to meet? whom did you see in the morning, whom should we send the invitation to, and who was Teddy talking to, and whom will you marry? And next, whose. If you ask what is the difference whose between who and whom, the difference is whose is a question word to ask about possession. How can you use it in a sentence? See the following example. Whose are these novels? And whose car is that? And whose wallet is this? Is it yours? Whose turn is it? And whose outfit are you wearing? And next, how. Finally, there is a method for you to use when you want to ask about manners or process, condition, and quality. This question also applies to asking for price, duration, frequency, age, method, distance, or quantity or amount. Example sentences. How can you explain this problem? Please tell us. And how was your exam? How much money do you have? And how often do you go to Bali in a year? Okay. Next, how to form a WH question. WH question formula. First, the following is the formula for WH question with auxiliary verbs. WH plus auxiliary verb to be, do, or have plus subject plus main verb. Example, when are you leaving? And where do you live? And what have they decided? And next, WH question with modal verb. Words that include verb capital include can, could, will, would, shall, should, might, must. Here's the formula. WH plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb. Examples like, who would he stay with? What should I do? And why should we read books? And the last, question sentence without auxiliary or modal verbs. This formula shows that WH itself has replaced the position of the subject. The formula is WH plus main verb. Examples, who won the game, whose phone rang, and who bought this. And yeah, that's all the video from me. Sorry if it's the wrong word.